What's up? It's your boy, Jay Josker, AKA The Big Elevator, AKA Buffalo Warrior. So every good tailgater needs a good tailgate outfit. And the style right now is vintage ridiculous. So we're downtown at My Cousin Vintage on Elmwood. We're gonna head inside, peep what they got here, and see if we can pick out a good tailgate outfit. Let's go. I love this. This is like a living history of Zubaz, right? You have the original Zubaz, and then they started getting crazy with the different patterns of Zubaz. Like, look at all of that. That's just like Zubaz through the years. Here's another 90s staple, right? Taz. Taz was a fan of every team. Just slapped him on everything. Wow. If Nana needs some tailgate gear, this place has got you covered, man. Shout out to Canada for giving us Doug. Love it. Look at that. I'm pretty sure every person in Buffalo had one of these, right? In the winter to snow blow or shovel, you dig into a drawer with all the hats in it. There's definitely one of these in here if you're a Bills fan. Look at this one. You got Bills vacation chic here. So when you're going out of town, still rep the Bills. This is my favorite section because you're just out here just trying to remember some guys like Quinn Early, Bryce Pop. I love this. Look at John Holacek. I don't even know. I was too young how to pronounce that. Ted Washington. There's a name. Sam Cowart. Like, just come to My Cousin Vintage and remember some guys like Sam Cowart. Look at that. I love that. It's like artifacts of the Bills' glory days. I remember all of this stuff from my childhood, trying to get the starter jacket for Christmas. Look. That was the gold standard in 5th grade. The starter zipper pull right there. If you had that, you were the coolest kid in school. Oh, this might fit me. We're gonna have to try this one on for sure. Yeah. Oh, this is it, man. There it is. Is it 1995 or 2019? Who knows? Now we're good to go. So there you have it. If you're gearing up for the tailgate or just want to relive the glory years, head down to My Cousin Vintage and gear up.